Hey guys, welcome back. So I have a box opening with Bountiful Baby. I ordered 2 kits this time. They were both real-born kits. And I've already pulled everything out of the box because I do film with my iPhone. So it's just kind of a small one. The bodies were out of stock, as well as a couple other things that I wanted to get. So I will have a new box opening here in the next couple weeks or so. But anyway, I got all the plugs and the neck rings for both of them. And can you guess which one they are? They're both the same kit. If you guessed Logan asleep, you are correct. I don't know. There are 3 real-borns that I am absolutely in love with. One of them being Logan, and he happened to be on sale, so I did purchase 2 of them. So in the box, I got the plugs and the neck rings, like I just showed you guys. These 2 kits, and then obviously with each kit, I did get a birth certificate. He's so cute. Oh my goodness. And then they also did send a small sample of their Angel Silk Soft Polyester. It is so soft. I can't even describe. Like, I haven't pulled it out of the package, but you can feel it. Like, it's so soft. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys real quick. I am so excited to be able to paint not only a real-born, because this is my first real-born, but to paint one of the dolls that I am absolutely in love with. They're probably going to be very hard for me to get rid of because he's so adorable. So anyway, that's all I've got to show you guys for now. So I will check back in when I get the rest of the Logan and a few other things that I will be picking up. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!